Estou fazendo chamada automática. Meu rádio tem aqui esse botão. Olha a amperagem. Batendo 30 amperes. Eu estou com 100. Estou com mais de 100. Olha lá. Uns 120. Please come again, come again. Roger, Roger, Victor Echo 3, Foxtrot Whiskey Zulu. Thank you very much for coming back to my call. My name is Tony, Tango Oscar November Yankee. Tony is my name. I copy you 5x3 your report. So microphone back to you, Victor Echo 3, Fox Whiskey Zulu, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, over. Ele me escuta 5.7. Escutei ele muito mal. Roger, Roger. What's your name, please? What's your name? Roger, Gary. 100% copy, Gary. You're 5x3, but no problem to listen to you. Very clear. Okay, and very good audio. Your 100 watts is doing a beautiful job. I'm with a 200 watts. Okay, 200 watts into a vertical antenna, 5/8 waves. Many thanks for the QSO. Good look at the X, Gary. Hope to catch you again, my friend. All the best. Many thanks for call. Victor Echo 3, Fox Whiskey Zulu, Papa Yellow 1, America X-ray. All the best. Roger, 73. Whiskey 2, Uniform Romeo. Come again? Roger, Whiskey 2, Sarah, Uniform Romeo. Yo, 5x5, 55, a lot of QS Baker on a frequency. My name is Tony, Tango Oscar, November Yankee. How do you copy, over? New York. 59, Nova York. Roger, thank you for 5 and 9. What's your name, please, over? Roger, New York, the city that never sleeps, 100% copy. I am in Rio de Janeiro. Many thanks for the QSO, 73 to you, good look DX, Whiskey 2, Sierra United Romeo, Papa Yellow 1, America X-ray, 73. Radio Foxtrot station, come again? Japão. Roger, Juliet Hotel 1, Romeo Fox Zulu, very good copy. You're 5x7, 57 your report. My name is Tony, Tango Oscar, November Yankee. Very good, very happy to listen Japan today. Okay, Japan Hotel 1, Romeo Fox Zulu, my name is Tony, Tango Oscar, November Yankee. Microphone back to you. 59. Tango Alpha Kilo Echo, o nome dele. Okay, Take, many thanks for the QSO, my friend. All the best to you. Tom arigato, Yo-Yo Masa for you. Many thanks, my friend. Juliet Hotel 1, Romeo Fox Zulu, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. See you later. QRZ. I copy Kilo Charlie 8 Papa. Kilo Charlie 8 Papa in the end. Come again, please.
Kilo Charlie 8 Oscar Delta Papa, Ocean Dog, Peter, QSL.
Roger, Peter, you're coming very strong. 5'9 plus. Kilo Charlie 8 Oscar Delta Papa. Very good audio, very comfortable to listen to you, my friend. In Rio de Janeiro, today is raining. The temperature around 25 degrees Celsius. My name is Tony. 200 watts into a vertical antenna. Kilo Charlie 8 Oscar Delta Papa. PY1AX. What's your name?
Roger, the handle here is Bruce. Bravo Romeo Uniform Charlie Echo. Bravo Romeo Uniform Charlie Echo. Your signal is about 3x5 here into Michigan, Lake India.
Michigan.
We've got overcast skies here today. Overcast.
Tá nublado. Overcast.
Temperature currently at about 4 degrees Celsius. QSL.
4 graus. Okay, QSL, 4 degrees Celsius and overcast. You're coming very strong with a 5'9". 59 your report here in Rio de Janeiro. Congratulations for your station. Okay, my friend Bruce. Bruce Lee, many thanks for the QSO, my friend. All the best. Hope to catch you again. Kilo Charlie 8, Oscar Delta Papa, from Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. All the best, Bruce.
Roger, you're quite loud here, but for some reason, that standard on the meter there. But you're quite loud here. Good audio, good signal. You should be able to work a lot of DX. So happy Easter. Thanks a lot for the contact for Rio and 73.
Roger, Bruce. Have a fun, my friend. All the best. QRZ, outside South America. Outside South America. QRZ. Japan, America. Roger, Japan, America 1, Echo, Romeo, Bravo. Tomo arigato to coming on the frequency. Your 5x7, 5x8, your signal report. My name is Tony. Tango, Oscar, November, Yankee. Tony is my name. Let's go, Japan. Microphone back to you. Juliet, Alpha 1, Echo, Radio, Bravo. Papa Yankee 1, America X. Good morning.
Lima, Unión 8, Eco, Hotel Juliet.
Doze. Yokohama. 5-9 meu sinal lá. Tosse o nome dele, olha lá. Roger, Japan, America 1, Echo, Radio, Bravo. My friend Cozy, thank you very much, my friend. Yes, we have a contact on CW. I do a lot of CW. Very good. The temperature today is 25 degrees Celsius and is a little bit overcast here in Rio de Janeiro. Many thanks, Tosi, for the nice QSO, my friend. Good luck DX for you. Hope to meet you again. Japan, America 1, Echo, Romeo, Bravo. Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Tomo arigato. Muita gente chamando.
Lima, Unión 8, Eco, Hotel Juliet.
Roger, Tosse is Alpha X-ray, okay? Alpha X-ray, negative Delta X-ray. 73, many thanks. Another station from Japan in frequency. QRZ Japan, this is South America. Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, calling Japan. Over. Okay, negative. Another station?
Lima Unión 8 Eco Hotel Juliet.
Ok, Lima Unión 8 Eco Hotel Juliet. Permiso ahí por todo. No te contestaste antes, pero que estaba muy buena la propagación. Escuchaba ahí una janela, una puerta que se abre para Japón. Pero que te escucho 5-9 más, llegando muy fuerte acá. Mi nombre es Tony. Parece que tenemos contactos ahí, ¿eh? Lima Unión 8 Eco HQ, Papa Yankee 1, América R.
Ok, Anthony, recibido al 100%. Señales 5-9 más, audio fuerte, claro y con presencia, Anthony. El gusto de poder escucharte y saludarte ahí para esta Pascua. Tenés que aprovechar
La Pascua.
el poder hacer contacto con Japón, pues sí.
Ok, positivo. Gracias por la Pascua para ti también. Que tenga muy buena Pascua. Saludos a todos ahí, mi hermanos. Un gran abrazo. Muchas gracias por contacto. Lima Unión 8 Eco HQ, Papa Yankee 1, América R. Chao, chao. Hasta siempre.
Hasta siempre, Anthony. Un abrazo, 7-3. Ahí te confirmo por el 4Z.
Positivo, yo también. Atiento Japón, atiento Japón. Atiento Japón. QRZ, Papa Yankee 1, América X-Ray calling Japan.
I had just tuned up to write my numbers down for a reference, and I heard you and I went, wow. Well, you sounded great, sir, and I do appreciate you picking up that
Roger, Roger.
radio.
Bravo Victor 100. Is it correct? Bravo Victor 100? Oh yeah, he's from Taiwan. Very good Taiwan. A very weak signal, but I can copy you. Bravo Victor 100. This is Papa Yankee 1 America actually. My name is Tony. Tango Oscar November Yankee. And my KDH is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, South America. So back to you, station from Taiwan. Over.